As a technology channel, we are always blown away when we see the technical skills of brilliant individuals. Today, we're looking at Lucas Rabelo from the Brazilian channel Bounty Breaker. This guy literally built an Xray machine at home. Before we dive in, I must say, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. We are not going to show a step-by-step guide on how to build this. We strongly advise against anyone trying this at home due to the extreme risks involved. To make this work, Lucas first had to build a particle accelerator, which, in this case, is a small X-ray vacuum tube. For the electron emitter, he used a coiled tungsten wire. Tungsten is the same material used in old light bulb filaments because it has a very high melting point. When an electric current passes through it, it heats up and creates a cloud of electrons around it. To generate X-rays, these electrons must be fired at high speed against a heavy metal target. He uses a copper bar with tungsten, set at a specific angle. The secret sauce here is that when the electrons hit this metal and stop abruptly, their kinetic energy is converted into radiation, a process called Bremsstrahlung, or breaking radiation. This is the most technical part. For the electrons to fly without hitting air molecules, the tube must be under a near-perfect vacuum. He uses a vacuum pump, but since that's never 100% perfect, he uses a titanium filament called a getter. Once heated, the titanium swallows the remaining gas molecules, leaving the inside of the glass tube incredibly pure. To accelerate those electrons, he needs raw power, anywhere from 20,000 to 60,000 volts. He achieves this by repurposing flyback transformers from old CRT TVs and a microwave transformer. This is, by far, the most dangerous electrical part of the project. After setting up everything for proper shielding, ensuring he isn't exposed to the radiation, he conducts the final test using dental radiographic plates. Where the X-rays pass through, the plate turns black. Where the bone blocks the rays, the plate stays clear. He even uses lead to shield the radiation and focus the image almost like a camera lens. It's absolutely brilliant engineering.